The FlexCrate Kayak Fishing Crate is a versatile storage solution with a spacious internal capacity of nearly 10 gallons, making it perfect for organizing tackle boxes, bait, and essential fishing tools. With 4 integrated rod holders, it ensures your fishing rods remain secure and easily accessible, reducing the risk of tangling or losing them overboard. The crate is designed for customization, featuring pre-drilled mounting holes that allow for the addition of accessories to suit your specific fishing needs. Its lockable lid and quiet hinges offer both security and stealth, making it an ideal choice for anglers who value convenience and discretion. Equipped with dual bungee tie-downs and rubber feet, the FlexCrate stays firmly in place even in rough waters, minimizing noise and vibration for a more pleasant fishing experience. Lightweight yet durable, the FlexCrate is crafted from thick polymer panels, ensuring it is easy to transport while providing long-lasting performance on various kayaking adventures.